today I'm gonna be working on my Miata horns, and I'm gonna try to fix them because when I press them sometimes they don't work. So basically the two buttons pop out, and let's see if we can do this without scratching or breaking it. I'm gonna use a knife because this is the thinnest piece I have. This is just, even this ruler is too thick. I do have some gauges, but looks like the knife might be the easiest one to work with to pop these out. So let's go ahead and try that. I also have a pick I can use. I'm doing this slow because there is a spring in there, and definitely the knife is the easiest tool. So there we go. There's the cover. And that pops out. Spring. And this is the bottom piece for the that goes on the cover here. So basically what we want to clean, if I can look at the camera, I'm having a hard time because it's pretty far back. So I'm just going to clean the contact, because it's been annoying me forever. And I actually like the horn buttons on the wheel here. I only need to do the one side, but I'm just going to clean everything. Little bit of sanding. So that's one piece. And the spring. And this is when you want to keep a hold on it. And then you got 4 tabs here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why you want to go very easy and slow. I hope the camera's catching it. It's the only place I can put it on there, so let's see. Now I gotta clean the piece here. Let me move the camera. I can put it back there. So that's what that looks like. And then that's what these pieces look like. The cover, spring, and the piece that goes in the back here. Just make sure you put it the right way. This goes towards the inside, kind of like that, or basically like that. Spring sits on here, and that's it. And then that, so I gotta clean that because it's really dirty. I thought I had to take the airbag off, but I said at a junkyard and you don't. So as you can see, I'm doing it in the car, haven't unplugged anything. So this is what I'm doing. Put it back so it can work. Alright, that's good. really hard to get in there since you can't really put your fingers in there, but it still works. I can put a little bit of grease on there, but since I just took them out already, I'm not gonna worry too much since it's pretty easy to take out now that I did it. And let's go ahead and put it back. Just like I said, there, it's already in there. I haven't even done anything, so just leave that on there. Make sure the horn is right side up, and just put it in there. Okay, plastic tabs not going in there. There we go. That's it. It works. So I'll do the other one the same way. Try not to break anything and or scratch it, but this is the only thing you can get in here, so it's gonna have to be it. Nice and slow. Here's my spring. Let's clean that. The other piece with over, I don't know, almost 20 some years of crud, 20, 30 maybe, I don't know. Just like that.
Geek.